Hello, this is Gary with Ultra Plumbing, and I just want to give you a quick tip for if you're getting a new washing machine and if you have issues with the valves in the wall when putting in that new washing machine. A lot of times people will give me a call and they'll tell me that these valves in the wall aren't shutting off all the way, and that for whatever reason they're between washing machines and they need these valves replaced, and they'll ultimately end up turning off the water to their house. Well, a lot of times if we can't get to these people right away, I'll tell them a trick that might seem kind of obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people don't think about it. What you can actually do is, if these valves are not turning off, you can actually take one of the old hoses and disconnect the end from the washing machine and just connect it to the other valve. So in other words, we could take this hose right here that's connected to the hot valve and just disconnect this guy over here and just connect the other end of this hose straight to this one. So now you have this valve connected to him. That's kind of like a quick solution for someone who has an issue with these valves leaking so they can turn on the water to their house. Now, something to consider is when you do this, it is going to mix the hot and the cold at this point. So that could cause an issue with the hot water in your house. But if you can get the valves to close somewhat, you can do that, and that'll at least minimize the flow. And this will just kind of give you a solution so you can get your water on until you get your new washing machine connected, or until you get a plumber in to replace the valves.